Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to delete Facebook story likes. So to do that, let's head over to a Facebook application first. So as you can see, I currently don't have any story on Facebook, thus there is no likes too. So but I can show you the steps you can follow to remove the likes from your story. So the first one is direct removal on the story. Open the Facebook story you want to remove your reaction from and tap and hold on the reaction you sent, the emoji next to the story. And the menu will appear. Tap undo or remove reaction to delete your reaction. And you can also do it using your activity log. That is, navigate to your profile and click the three dots next to add story and select activity log. And in the activity logs, click on filters and then categories and then interactions. Look for stories activity and then click on it. Find the specific story reaction you want to remove and tap the three dots beside it. Choose to remove reaction and confirm to remove the reaction. And then it will be done. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.